Hello, Candiners. Do you ever wondered who keeps the ship running below deck? Yeah, let's dive into the engine room and responsibilities on board in merchant ships. Yeah. This video I will explain to you engine room ranks and responsibilities. And this rank we have a hierarchy, and the top hierarchy is chief engineer. The chief engineer is the boss of the engine room. They have responsible for all machinery, fuel systems, and safety compliance. Think of them as the captain of the ship's herd. And then second engineer, for this position, will manage daily operation from engine maintenance to fuel transfers. They ensure everything runs smoothly 24 hours and 7 days. And then next hierarchy is third engineer. Third engineer is handle auxiliary machinery like pumps, purifiers, and compressors, and they are the troubleshooter of the teams. And then is junior engineer or fourth engineer, often in charge of basic maintenance and assisting senior engineers. This is a key learning role for future advancement. And then don't forget with electrotechnical officer. This position is manage all electrical and electronic systems, from power distribution to automation and alarms. Yeah, and then other officers, don't forget the engine rating, the hardworking crew supporting the officers. There is motorman, the responsible is maintenance engine and assist with repairs, and fitter is skilled in welding and fabrication, and wiper is entry level role, helping with cleaning and basic task. Sorry. From chief engineer to wiper is every role is in the engine room is vital to keeping the ship moving. So I think you need to respect the crew behind the power. That's all for today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.